children. This is Shraddha ma'am from Global School, welcoming you all to our LKG English class. Let us start our class with a prayer, children. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurue Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurue Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurue Namaha. Tasmai Shri Gurue Namaha. Tasmai Shri Gurue Namaha. Om. 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 Rub your hands. Put them on your eyes and open your eyes slowly, children. Namaskar, everyone. Now, children, let us revise what we did in our last class. So, what we did in our last class? We did that two words or the words which sound alike, which have the same sound, are called rhyming words. Let us see few rhyming words on the board. So, let us start, children. Which picture is this and which picture is this? This is the picture of a cat. This is the picture of a cat. And which picture is this? This is the picture of a bat. Will you please help me to write the spellings of cat and bat? Cat says cat. K is letter C, A is letter A, T is letter T. Cat, cat, cat. Next is the picture of a bat. How do you write the spelling of bat, children? B-at. B is letter B, A is letter A, T is letter T. Cat, cat, B-at, bat. Are these two words rhyming, children? Are these two words rhyming? Do you hear them similar? Cat, bat. Cat, bat. Are they rhyming? Do they sound similar to you? Yes. See, why do they sound similar? Because the ending sound are same. The ending sound are same. Cat, bat. Okay. Let us recognize the next picture. This is the picture of a P in pin. This is the P in fin of the fish. Okay. How do you write the spelling of P in pin? P is letter P. I is letter I. N is letter N. P I N. P I N. Pin. Pin. Next is in fin. F is letter F. I is letter I. N is letter N. Fin. Pin, fin. Do they sound similar, children? Are they rhyming? Pin, fin. Pin, fin. Are they sounding similar, children? Yes, because the ending sound, that is in is same. Okay, let us see next two pictures. What animal is this? This is a wild animal and it is called a fox. Fox. Ox. Fox. And what is this, children? This is a box. 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 Is letter F. O is letter O. X is letter X. Ox. Ox. Fox. Fox. Ox. Fox. Box. Box. B is letter B. O is letter O. X is letter X. Box. 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 Fox. Box. Do they sound similar? Once again. Fox. Box. Fox. Box. Do they sound similar? Yes. And they have the same ending sound. Ox. Ox. I would like to draw one more picture, children. Two more pictures. Which picture is this, children? This is the picture of a pen. Pen. Okay. And what number is this, children? 10. 10. How do you write the spelling of pen and ten. How do you write the spelling of pen? Pen, ten. P is letter B, A is letter E, N is letter N. P, A, N. P, A, N. Pen. P and pen. T and ten. T is letter T, A is letter E, N is letter N. Ten. T, A, N. Ten. Pen. Ten. Hear this, children, properly. Pen. Ten. Are they rhyming? Yes, they rhyme because the ending sound is same. Okay. So, once again, children, cat and bat. Are they rhyming? Cat, bat. Cat, bat. Next is pin, fin. Pin, fin. Are they rhyming? Yes. Fox, box. Fox, box. Are they rhyming? Yes. Pen, ten. Pen, ten. They are rhyming? Yes. They are called rhyming words because their ending sound are similar. Okay. Now let us see what is our today's classwork and homework. Our today's classwork and homework is page number 61 of worksheet classwork. Page number 63 of worksheet homework. Okay, children, this is in your worksheet. But before we start our classwork and homework, let us see a small activity. Okay, children, so what is our activity? We have pictures on both the sides and all the pictures have a certain pattern. All the pictures have a certain pattern. We will first recognize the pictures on this side and then match them to the rhyming word. Okay, what picture is this? This is the picture of a pig. Pig. Now children, I will read all these pictures out. Okay, and you will tell me what is the rhyming word of pig. What is this, children? Fox. Pig, fox. Do they rhyme? No. Okay. Pig, wig. Do they rhyme? Yes. So I will put this next to pig. Pig, wig. Pig, wig. Okay, children? They are rhyming words. Pig and wig are rhyming words. Next is dog. Okay, let us see what is the rhyming word of dog. Dog, fox. Dog, fox. Do they rhyme, children? No. Okay. Dog, log. Dog, log. Dog, log. Dog, log. Do they sound similar, children? Yes. So I will put it here. Dog, log. Pig, wig. Dog, log. Next is the picture of a box. Box, fox. Box, fox. Do they rhyme, children? Yes. Box and fox have the same ending sound and they sound similar when I am saying it, isn't it, children? Box, fox. Box, fox. So I will match them together. Pig and wig, dog and log, fox and box. Next is the picture of a fan. Let us see. Fan, hat. Are they rhyming, children? Fan, hat. Fan, hat. No, it does not rhyme. Let us see the next picture. Fan, pan. Fan, pan. Are they rhyming? Yes. So what will I do? I will put it next to the fan. Fan, pan. Pig, wig, dog, log, box, fox, fan, pan. And the last one, cat, hat. Are they rhyming? Cat, hat. Are they rhyming? Yes. So I will match them. Cat and hat. Pig and wig, dog and log, box and fox, fan and pan, cat and hat. So, what did we learn through this activity? that we have to recognize the picture, say their spellings and sounds and match the rhyming word. This was a small activity for rhyming words. Now let us start our today's classwork and homework, which is in our worksheet, which is in our LKG English Term 1 worksheet, children, and open up page number 61. Page number 61 of our rhyming word part. This is our rhyming word part. Okay, children? Page number 61. Okay? So now let us start by writing here classwork and please mention today's date. Okay? Now let us read the heading. It says, ding dong bell, puss is in the well, puss is in the well. Who put her in? Who put her in? Little Johnny Thin, little Johnny Thin. Who pulled her out? Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Stout, little Tommy Stout. Once again, children. Ding dong bell, puss is in the well, puss is in the well. Who put her in? Who put her in? Little Tommy Thin, little Johnny Thin. Who pulled her out? Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Stout, little Tommy Stout. So, this is a rhyme in which we can see bell and well are rhyming. Bell, well. Then in this line, in, thin, in, thin. Third line, out, stout, out, stout. So, what does it say? The heading says, identify the given picture and write the rhyming word. Identify these two pictures and write the rhyming word of this picture. Okay, children? So, let us begin. What is the first picture? The first picture says, mug, mug. And what picture is this, children? Can you say what picture is this? This is the picture of a rug. Rug जो हम फ्लोर पर बिछाते हैं, जिसके ऊपर हम बैठते हैं. Rug. So what is the spelling of rug? R is letter R. A is letter U. G is letter G. Rug. 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 Mug. Rug. Mug and rug are rhyming words. Okay, next is the picture of a bin. 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 And what is this, children? This is the fin. Fin. How do you write fin? F is letter F. E is letter I. N is letter N. Bin. Fin. In bin. F in fin. Bin and fin are rhyming words. Next is the picture of a hen. 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 And who lives here, children? This is the home of a tiger, lion or a bear. And that is called a den. The is letter D. E is letter E. N is letter N. The den. Ha and hen. The and den. Next is the picture of a hat. Is this a hat? No, this is a cap. Apple. Cap. And what is this, children? What is this? You get water in your house through this. This is called a tap. Tap. T is letter T. A is letter A. P is letter P. T apple. K apple. T apple. Are they rhyming, children? Yes. What is this, children? This is the picture of a mop. 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 And what is this girl doing? Is she playing a hopping game? Yes, hopscotch. Hop. What is she doing? Hop. So how will you write the spelling? H is letter H. O is letter O. F is letter P. Op, mop. Hop, hop. Are they rhyming? Yes. Let us see the next word. It is the picture of a dog wagging its tail. See here. The dog is wagging its tail. Wag. 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 And what picture is this, children? Where do you take this? Do you take this to sleep when you go to sleep? No. You take this when you go to school to study. Isn't it, children? And this is called a bag. 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 Wag. Wag. Are bag and wag rhyming? Yes. Next is ox. Ox. Fox. What picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of a box. How will you write? Ox, fox, ox, box. Okay, children. Are fox and box rhyming? Yes, fox and box are rhyming words. Next is the picture of a sun. Sun. What is this, children? This is a burger and it is made out of this bun. How do you write the spelling of bun? Sun, sun, bun, bun. Are they two rhyming, children? Yes. What picture is this? This is the picture of a bed. Bed. And what is this? This is the picture of wed. Bed, wed. Are they rhyming, children? Yes. So what did we do in this page, children? We saw the pictures, read these words and wrote the rhyming word. This is page number 61 of your worksheet. Classwork, date. Now page number 63 of worksheet is your homework and mention today's date also. Let us see what is the heading. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Okay, this is another rhyme. Okay, children. Rain, rain, go away, away, and come again another day. Day is a rhyming word. Little Johnny wants to play. Away, day, play. They are all rhyming words. Now, the heading says, let's match the rhyming pictures with each other. Okay, this is the picture of a dog and its tail wagging. Okay, so wag. What is the rhyming word? Is it and ten? Wag and ten? No. Wag and leg? No. Wag and cot? No. Wag and sit? No. Wag and bag. Are they rhyming, children? Wag and bag. So I will match it like this. Next is the picture of an elephant. And how is the elephant? Big. Big. Let us see what rhymes with big. Big and ten? No. Big and leg? No. Big and cot? No. Big and sit? No. Big and wig? Yes. Big wig. Big wig. So I will match it. Number 3 is the picture of a mug. Mug and ten? No. Mug and leg? No. Mug and cot? No. Mug and sit? No. Mug and bug? Yes, they are rhyming. Mug and bug. So children, we did 3 for your homework. The rest of the page you can complete using what, children? See the picture, say the sound and then say the sound of the other side. Okay. and this is the way you will match the rhyming words. Okay children, so this was your today's homework on page number 63. So what did we do once again today children? We learned rhyming words. We saw them on the board also, and then we did this activity of rhyming the pictures to the other rhyming picture. Okay children, once again see your classwork and homework. It is on page number 61 of worksheet. Classwork page 61 of worksheet, homework page 63 of worksheet. Okay children, we will meet you in our next video, but until then stay safe, stay at home, be good children, do your classwork, homework, learn your phonic sounds and keep revising CBC words. Thank you. Namaskar. Have a good day.